Hello guys and welcome back to DashCam channel. Here you can find all the latest and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. We got it all from close calls all the way up to road rage and many more. Your task is just to sit back, relax and enjoy in today's clips. Camera had a green light and a right of way. That was still not enough for a reckless driver to act according to the law, and that's why we have this situation.
Bro, are you kidding me, bro? What the?
Camera caught a really nasty close call on his dashcam as one driver pulled out onto the road without even looking. I assure you, this type of driving won't get him far. Last time I checked, it was illegal to force your way onto the freeway. Luckily, the driver in a black truck did not hit anyone, but in case he did, he would definitely be the one at fault. There are all sorts of drivers out there on the road, and some of them are unfortunately there to purposely cause the trouble. Check out this crazy situation and write me your opinion about it as well. Driver went wrong way and he hit a parked car in the process. To make it even worse, the driver fled the scene.
Did he just hit you? Did he just hit you?
I hope not.
Distributions systems, and effective operation management. An important feature of cross-border e-commerce is the worldwide network place.
Shit! Oh my god, dude, I just got that on video.
No way.
I just got that on video. He's going to jail.
Room. It's just the three of us in this room, and she starts reading this poem. We didn't know what to expect. She starts reading this. It's very intimate, very vulnerable about her being assaulted. Something really vulnerable, right? And emotional.
Oh no. Okay, we gotta pull over. Everything okay?
The sun was in my eyes.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Oh God.
Oh,
I
no.
was so scared when I don't know if I hurt my car.
Oh, it's okay, it's totally okay.
Are you alright?
Yeah, of course, of course. Are you okay?
Yes, but the sun was in my eyes. And I didn't see a thing that the sun was in my eyes.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
Okay.
And with this clip we reach the end of yet another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. Mistakes you saw are there to teach you. Always use the opportunity to learn, even if it's on someone else's expense. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And until the next episode, drive safe.